In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and edit a meeting rotation in HubSpot. We'll start from a fresh browser. Head to Google, search for HubSpot, and open the official site. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, hover over the left sidebar and look for the Sales section. From there, open the Meeting Scheduler. This is where you'll create the booking page your prospects will use. Click Create Scheduling Page to begin. You'll see different link types. Choose Round Robin. A Round Robin meeting link automatically distributes bookings among selected team members, sending each meeting to whoever is available next. It's perfect for fair-led distribution and faster response times. Give your link an internal name. This label is just for your team, so make it descriptive enough to find later. Next, choose the organizer. The organizer controls a few defaults and is associated with notifications and ownership. Then add the event title. This is what your prospect will see on the calendar invite, so keep it clear, like intro call or product demo. Select a meeting type to help with reporting and segmentation in HubSpot. This makes it easier to track outcomes later. When those basics are set, click Next. Now choose the team members who will participate in the round robin. Only include people who actively take these meetings. For the best experience, make sure each selected user has a connected calendar and set working hours in HubSpot. Otherwise, they may be skipped if no availability is detected. Click Next to move into your scheduling preferences. Open the schedule settings. Set your duration options, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Offering a couple of durations can improve booking rates, but keep it simple so prospects aren't overwhelmed. Choose a date to define when availability starts appearing, and confirm time zone and work hours align with your team's calendars. When those details look right, click Next. Finally, create the scheduling page. HubSpot will generate a shareable link that rotates meetings across your selected reps based on availability. Before you share it broadly, consider booking a quick test meeting to confirm that invites, hosts, and time slots behave as expected. That's it. You've created a round-robin meeting link in HubSpot that balances meetings across your team and makes it easier for prospects to find time. If you ever need to refine the name, organizer, participants, durations, or availability, you can return to the Meetings tool and update the link later so your process keeps pace with your team's needs.